Hello, and welcome to the 505 tutorial for changing user levels. In this tutorial, you will learn how to log in to the various user levels of the 505. You will need to know how to do this because the 505 has 4 user levels that restrict access to certain commands and adjustments while the turbine is in operation: Monitor, Operator, Service, and Configure. These different user levels also ensure that only appropriate users are allowed entry into the calibration and configuration modes. Please note, however, that the emergency stop function is always available to all user levels. Let's begin with an explanation of each user level's permissions. Monitor is the lowest user level. This mode allows view-only access. All commands except emergency stop and login selection are inhibited. Operator is the next user level. In this level, operational commands such as start and stop are allowed. The operator user level is intended for normal turbine operation and is the 505's default level upon awakening from sleep mode. If desired, it is possible to configure the unit to power up and wake up into monitor level, where no operational commands are accepted. To do this, you must be logged in as a service user level. We'll show you how to make this configuration change later in this tutorial. Service is a higher level than either operator or monitor. Service user level provides access to the same operational commands as operator level access, plus additional permissions, like dynamic tuning, access to calibration mode, and service menu parameter adjustment. Configure is the highest user level access. In this level, users have all the rights of the service level, and they also have permission to enter configuration mode. With Configure user level access, users can access any mode of the 505. Now we'll explain how to change user levels. For this demonstration, we're already logged in as an operator, and we'll be changing to the service user level. First, ensure that the controller is powered on and not in sleep mode. You can tell the controller is on and not in sleep mode if any of the pages, such as the home page, are displayed on the screen. It's in sleep mode if the screen is displaying the screensaver, which is the 505 logo moving around the screen, and it's off if the screen is black. To awaken the controller from sleep mode, simply press any button on the front panel of the unit. Press Mode on the left side of the 505's front panel. The 505 User Login and Mode Selection screen displays. Under the User Level heading, you'll find all configured user levels and their corresponding descriptions. Press the black function key below Login. Use the navigation cross keys to highlight Service on the screen, and then press Enter to select that button. Next, use the navigation cross keys to highlight the password box, and press Enter to select the password box. Now, use the numeric keypad to enter the service level password. Note that because the numeric keys also contain letters, you will have to press and hold a key if the initial character is not the one you need. Holding the key allows the unit to cycle through the available characters for that key. Stop pressing the key to select the desired character. Then, press the black function key below Login. Finally, confirm that the Service User Level's LED is activated. To do this, verify that the LED is green. Follow this same process to log in to the operator and configure user levels using their respective passwords. To log in to the monitor user level, follow steps 1 through 3, but rather than selecting a user level from the available green buttons, press the black function key below Logout. You'll do this because there is no actual login for the monitor user level. It is basically the absence of any other user level designation. To return to the main screen, press Home. As mentioned earlier in this tutorial, once you are logged in at the service user level, it's possible to configure the 505 to power up and wake up into monitor level. To make this change, from the main or home page, press the black function key below Service. On the service menu that displays, press the black function key below the right arrow button on the screen to go to page 2 of 2. Use the navigation cross keys to highlight Screen Settings. Then press Enter to select it. Now, use the navigation cross keys to highlight the Auto Login as Operator checkbox. Press Enter to remove the checkmark from that checkbox. Press Home to return to the main screen. From this point forward, when the unit awakens from sleep mode or is powered up, Monitor will be the default user level. You now know the basics of changing user levels for the 505 controller. Please be sure to view the other tutorials for more information.